Problem number 7. Two vertices of an equilateral triangle are minus 1, 0 and 1, 0, and the third vertex lies above the x-axis. Then the equation of the circumcircle of the triangle is. The figure in the question look like this one. Here two vertices of the equilateral triangle are minus 1, 0 and 1, 0. Let us mark these points. So this will be the point 1, 0, and this is minus 1 comma 0. The first thing is the third vertex exactly lie on the y-axis because the perpendicular from a vertex to a side always bisect this side, and clearly this is 1 centimeter and this is also 1 centimeter. So the perpendicular from the third vertex bisects the side, so that the third vertex will be exactly on the y-axis. Therefore the coordinates of that point will be 0 comma some y. Now let us find this y. To find that y, the side of the triangle is 2 centimeter, and that is clear from the base. Now the length of this side is also 2 centimeter. This side can be calculated using the distance formula. So from the distance formula, root of 0 minus minus 1 the whole squared plus y minus 0 the whole squared is equal to 2. That is root of 1 plus y squared is equal to 2. So 1 plus y squared becomes 4 and y squared becomes 3, and y is equal to root 3. So the point here is root 3. So this point is 0 comma root 3. Now to find the center of the circle for an equilateral triangle, the orthocenter, circumcenter, centroid all will be the same. So if to find the circumcenter, it is enough to calculate the centroid. The centroid is given by the average of 3 points. So centroid becomes 0 plus minus 1 plus 1 divided by 3 comma y plus 0 plus 0 divided by 3. Here y is nothing but root 3. So this becomes 0 comma root 3 by 3, and that is equal to 0 comma 1 by root 3. So this is the center of the circumcircle. Now let us mark the center. So center of the circumcircle is here, and that is 0 comma 1 by root 3. Okay, now clearly this distance is 1 by root 3. Now let us draw a radius here. So from this right angle triangle, this is height is 1 by root 3 and base is 1. Then the hypotenuse will be equal to square root of 1 squared plus 1 by root 3 the whole squared. That is equal to root of 1 plus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3, and that is equal to 2 by root 3. Now the center and radius are known. Now let us calculate the equation of the circle directly. The equation of the circle is given by x minus a the whole squared plus y minus b the whole squared is equal to r squared. That is x minus a, the coordinates of center are 0 and 1 by root 3. So x minus 0 the whole squared plus y minus 1 by root 3 the whole squared is equal to, radius is 2 by root 3, so 2 by root 3 the whole squared. So that is equal to x squared plus, expanding this, y squared minus 2 by root 3y plus 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. So it becomes x squared plus y squared minus 2 by root 3 y minus 1 is equal to 0. So multiplying throughout by root 3, root 3 into x squared plus y squared minus 2y minus root 3 is equal to 0. So the correct option is option C.